Her mom is coming into town tomorrow.
And then what's going to happen?
She's going to stay for probably 3 weeks, I think.
And most of February.
Yeah, most of February, Baba will be here.
Yay.
Okay, buddy. All right, let's see. Can we get another burp? Can I get another burp?
How long does an arbitration last?
I'm not really sure. Depends. I mean, they can last. Okay, so what I do here, Genevieve, is hold his little head. Just kind of.
What's happened to the burp whisperer?
I think the burp whisperer, man. I know you got something in there.
He's like, what is going
What?
Ah!